can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be doing the week 1 live cop, and I don't even know if it's a live cop, but it's what I got, bro. I did have to work this morning, so I kind of like made a montage of what was going on when I was trying to cop all this shit. It was like a 20-minute process that I lowered down to like 4 minutes. I tried to keep it as authentic as possible, but I will be reacting to it. I hope you guys don't get pissed. I just wanted to make a video regardless. I did have to work, which was unfortunate. I tried my best. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. And hey, click on post notification bells. If you're already down there subscribing to the channel, just click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever I do post a new video. And without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So today I was mainly trying to go for the cards and every single tee possible, maybe a couple other accessories, nothing too major because I wasn't trying to splurge. This is what happened. As you can see right here, the site dropped before 11, so I'm like, wait, what the fuck? But it was just looping me in and out, so I'm like, really, what's really going on? It let me through. I'm trying to look for some items because it wasn't letting me see all the items. I find the cards, I add it to my cart, and I keep going on the hunt. I find these name badges or whatever. I add 2 to my cart because I don't really need 4. I'm scrolling looking for more items, and the basketball is already sold out, bro. Literally within a couple seconds, shit was gone. I'm scrolling looking for some tees. I find the Futura and I'm taking that shit in red. Fuck it, bro. Go ahead, keep scrolling. Went back to the Futura tee. I'm like, what the fuck? Hold on. Go to this Sanders tee. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna grab it and hold it, get it in the burgundy, add that shit, and waste no more time. Let's go ahead and check out real quick. It was doing the most this morning with the card. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. It was taking me back. Dude, shit sold out. I'm sick. I'm like, bro, what the fuck? The cards are gone. I'm gonna still go ahead and check out on what I could get. I was pissed when the shit sold out, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But I'm over here opening the t-shirts tab, accessories tab. I go ahead and go incognito because actually while it's processing one order, you can't process another one. So I played it off and I go ahead and go incognito to make a second order at the same time. I'm adding some of these tees. I got the verified joint, the lovers joint, the jet one. I've got a couple tees. The stay positive in this neutral is fire. Balloons tee, add that to the cart. This Jets one, I fucked around and just got it in red too. And then I got this verified tee, fire tee actually, but I don't know if I could keep it for the personal. I'm over here just checking out, adding all my information. It wasn't saving my address this morning, and to verify my card was the most, so I'm gonna just copy paste it from now on. It's still checking out, and I did manage to get that first cart with the Futura logo, the Sanders tee. I'm going straight for a second cart, add the water bottle, boom. We going ahead and finding some more pieces to add. I ended up finding this loose gauge beanie in this blue colorway. Shit is nuts. I was gonna get it in black, but just ended up getting that one. I got the lovers tee in black, add that shit to the cart, and I'm checking out, bro. I'm going ahead and copping this second cart right here, or actually third cart, I believe. Just process my shit real quick. While that's processing, I go back, and that first cart that I initially made, or the second one with the 4 tees, we in there, bro. I got that one. I got the first cart so far, so I got like 7 pieces. I'm like, yo, I'm not even about to waste no more time. Let's add this Nueva York tee. I added this multi-logo tee in pink. Those are both gonna be up for raffles. I got both of those. I went to check the jackets real quick. The Smurfs one, only one of them was there. The other one was sold out. Boom, I'm closing shit out because there's too much going on at this point. And then I find this new era fitted right here. I'm like, yo, I need that shit. Go ahead, add all my information. Once again, low-key, I sped this up because there's a lot going on right here. Ended up getting the fitted. I got tees that I'm raffling. The beanie, the water bottle, the lovers tee. I got the Futura, the name badges, the Sanders tee. Then I got the 4 tee pack on them. I went ahead and got the sling bag as well. I thought that one was actually pretty clean, and I just feel like it's something different, so I might as well just go for it. I got it in the black colorway. I put all my information in or whatever, and that one actually did go through pretty quickly if I'm not mistaken. Boom, I got the sling bag. So I got like 4 to 5 orders, bro. That's honestly nuts. I do want to say that today was kind of a really busy day for me, and I just had like this specific amount of time to do stuff, so I couldn't really set up Addict.io. If you guys are interested in checking out when they're gonna restock, definitely sign up for their newsletter because they are gonna restock on September 15th. It's gonna be super limited, and I definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and check them out. I'm pretty sure they actually were able to succeed today. I didn't have time to set it up, which was a bummer. You definitely should go ahead and check them out. This low-key might be the biggest Supreme like week one that I've had. I spent over 700 bucks, but I am not keeping all of these items, and low-key one of the items that I really wanted I didn't even get, so I'm gonna have to pay resell. I definitely need those cards, bro. That was like one of the items that I have to have, and I'm paying the price, bro. If you guys are selling one of those, let me know in the comments or DM me on Instagram and we could work something out because I really do need those cards. And low-key, that pretty much does it for this video. So if you guys did end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And I really do hope that each and every one of you guys did cook up on this week. If you didn't, we have like 18 or 19 more weeks to go, so you will most likely have another chance at getting another fire item. There's gonna be way more heat this season. I can definitely feel it, but I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.